Looking for a free, fun event to invite family and friends to this summer? Then look no further. A huge free music festival is coming. From the 1st to the 3rd of July in Wythenshawe Park, Festival Manchester will be bringing high-energy gigs, fun fair, extreme sports, a family fun area and a Christian message of hope from hundreds of churches in partnership with the Message Trust and Louis Palau Association. With artists including award-winning and Grammy-nominated Good Boys, Lecrae and Kingdom Choir. The best thing is, it's all free. To find out more and how you can get involved, visit festivalmanchester.com.